You wouldn't build a house without a blueprint, right? So why would you write a novel without a structure? Hi there, I'm Andrea, the founder of bibisco, the novel writing software downloaded by more than 200,000 writers all around the world. And today, let's talk about a simple but powerful question. Do you really need a novel writing software? I get this all the time, especially in interviews. People say, but Andrea, writing is just writing. I've got Microsoft Word. Isn't that enough? Let's break them down. Well, there is this romantic idea that novelists just sit down and let inspiration get them, words flowing like magic. But the truth is, writing a novel is more like building a house. Words are bricks, but bricks alone don't make a house. You need planning, you need design, you need structure. As Hemingway once said, prose is architecture, not interior decoration. It's not about throwing in beautiful words, it's about how they're built together. Without a plan, your story might collapse halfway through. That's where bibisco comes in. Many people think writing is the only thing a writer does, but that's just the tip of the iceberg. When you write a novel, you are also researching historical periods, cultures, and locations, designing your plot and subplots, developing your characters' personalities and motivations, planning scenes and tracking story progress, organizing a mountain of notes. Trying to do all this with just Microsoft Word or Google Docs, that's chaos. That's why a dedicated environment like bibisco can be a game changer. With bibisco, you don't need to keep dozens of documents across confusing folder trees. Everything from your chapters to your characters, your location, your world building notes is stored in one single project, easy to navigate. The Project Explorer in bibisco gives you an instant overview of your entire novel. It's like having your own creative dashboard. As you write, everything is just a click away. No distractions, no confusion. You will always know where you are in your story and where you are headed. Now let's talk about one of the most powerful features in bibisco, character development. Every great novel is driven by compelling characters, but characters aren't just names and traits. They need depth. They need life. bibisco helps you create truly three-dimensional characters through a unique tool, the character interview. This is an in-depth questionnaire that asks you dozens of questions about each character, like what's their greatest fear, what do they regret the most, how do they speak, what's their tone, what's their childhood like, what are their contradictions. At first, it feels like you're answering these questions for them, but something amazing happens. Soon, they start answering for themselves. It's like meeting your characters in real life. You begin to understand how they think, how they speak, how they react in every situation. And that makes your writing more authentic and your reader, of course, more engaged. In bibisco, you can also track where each character appears, when they enter the story, and how often they interact with other characters. It's storytelling clarity at a whole new level. Once your novel starts to take shape, bibisco helps you analyze your work. Are your chapters roughly the same length? Is one character dominating too many scenes? Are certain parts dragging while others fly by? With visual tools and easy-to-read data, bibisco helps you see the patterns in your story, so you can refine the rhythm and balance. And yes, you can even see your whole novel laid out in a timeline. This helps you avoid inconsistencies, track flashbacks, and get a clear sense of narrative flow. Writing a novel takes time, sometimes months, even years. bibisco helps you stay on track with tools to plan and monitor your progress. Set a word count goal, choose a daily writing target, add a personal deadline, track your writing history over time. And here's a really nice feature. Every element, chapter, character, location has a completion badge. Red means not start, yellow means progress, and green means done. At a glance, you can see how far you have come and what still needs your attention. Well, if you are writing a novel with just Microsoft Word, you are basically building a house with a hammer and a duct tape. bibisco gives you the entire toolbox, designed specifically for novelists. It helps you in every phase, from research and character design to plot architecture, scene writing and revision. And it does all this in a space that's beautiful, organized and built to keep you focused. A novel is more than just words, it's a world. And every word needs a solid foundation. That's why I built bibisco. Bibisco to help writers like you bring your stories to life with clarity, structure, and creativity. So, do you need a novel writing software? Try Bibisco and see the difference for yourself. Thank you for watching and see you the next time. Bye bye!